Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable on-screen keyboard on HP ELITEBOOK 846. To enable an on-screen keyboard, you're gonna have to use the combination of Windows, Control and O buttons pressed simultaneously. So if you press all of these three buttons simultaneously, you will either make this keyboard appear or disappear if it's already here. Now you can change the size and the shape of this keyboard by moving the sides and the corners of it. As you can see, it has a numpad, so it can be very it can come in handy even if you have a physical laptop, a physical keyboard without a numpad. If you don't have access to your physical keyboard and no external keyboard connected, and you cannot activate it using a shortcut, the on-screen keyboard, then you can go to Start menu, then open Settings, and then scroll down to Accessibility Features, and then select the keyboard option right here, and then in keyboard menu just switch the toggle to the right next to on-screen keyboard feature. This will enable the very same on-screen keyboard on your display. Now there is one more option for you to consider. If you don't want to enter the settings every time you want to enter open the on-screen keyboard, you can go to Personalization, then select Taskbar menu, and in Taskbar menu next to Touch Keyboard Feature, expand this list and select Always, and this will make this tiny icon appear on your taskbar. And now every time you tap on it, it will open the on-screen keyboard, which you cannot move along your screen, and it's pretty static, but it's still pretty usable, just like the previous keyboard that we've seen. It doesn't have a numpad though, so if you want to have a numpad, you're gonna have to call the previous on-screen keyboard. And if you press this X icon in the top right corner of the keyboard, you will close it and you can open it from anywhere, so it's a much convenient option for me, I'd say. So that's basically it. That's how you enable on-screen keyboard on your laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.